In this video, I'll be helping you with the ALEKS problem type called solving for a variable in terms of other variables in an equation involving radicals. And in this example, we're asked to solve 5 equals c times the square root of n for n. And to do so, I'll just isolate the n by itself on that right-hand side. And my first step will be to undo this multiplication between c and the square root of n by just dividing both sides of the equation by c. This will cancel those c's on the right-hand side, leaving me with just the square root of n and 5 over c on the left-hand side. From here, I have one last step to isolate the n on that right-hand side. I need to get rid of the square root, and I can do that by squaring the right-hand side, which means I must also square the left-hand side of this equation. This will cancel the square root and the square, leaving me with just the n on the right-hand side. So we've isolated the n on the right-hand side. I just need to simplify the left-hand side as much as possible. And I can see that I have this fraction being squared. So to simplify, I can say that this is 5 squared in the numerator and c squared in the denominator. And the last piece of simplification that I could do here would just be to go ahead and square that 5. Would give us 25 in the numerator. The c squared in the denominator can't be simplified, and the n is by itself. So we have solved for n. It is 25 over c squared.